Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Before we remove protection, confirm you have rights to change the file. Check whether you are the document owner or an editor. Open Google Sheets and select the protected file. Use the Data menu and choose Protected Sheets and Ranges to view active protections. If you are not the owner, request Edit Access now. Alternatively, make a copy using File, then make a copy to create an editable version for yourself. Now, we will remove protection from specific ranges inside the sheet. Open Data, then Protected Sheets and Ranges to list protections. Click the protection entry you want to change. In the right panel, click Delete or Remove to unprotect that range quickly. Confirm the deletion by clicking Remove when prompted by the dialog. The selected cells will unlock immediately and become editable for editors or viewers with permission. To remove protection on a whole sheet, open the same Protected Sheets and Ranges panel. Click the sheet protection entry that references the whole sheet. Choose Remove to delete the sheet-level protection and unlock all cells. If you lack permission, use File, then make a copy or download as Microsoft Excel to edit offline instead. After editing, inform collaborators about changes and restore protections later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.